Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you how to unlock one of the coolest hidden features in your browser, and it's going to blow your mind. This is called the Atmosphere Lighting Vivid Mode, and it can turn any boring video website into this. Okay, if you want your screen to look amazing with real solid color lighting and epic vivid effects, here's what you gotta do. First, click right on gray lamp icon at the top of your browser and select the menu item options. This is where the magic begins. Now, in the sidebar, click on the tab Visual Effects and find Atmosphere Lighting. And turn that on. By default, it does some fancy stuff like matching the video colors, but we're here to go bold. Click on the fourth tab for that realistic glow and turn on this radio button. And now, this is it, the final boss level. Enable that vivid mode checkbox. It'll make the lighting burst to life, turning everything around your screen into a fully immersive experience. Like you're actually inside the video. And that's it. You've officially unlocked the ultimate viewing experience. You're basically living in the future now. If you thought that was awesome, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.